kidi moshirani. Agora aquele lá. Kawaka ma mugunda ala dawo. Kona ba. Una kianroa yako. Na kana kitu kingo ugaita. Oka sa oka ro ka ke e ko ka ro. Yo number 1.
Number 2.
Yo number 1. Number 2. Kama oka. Ai ro. Wait.
Weighing,
weighing, yeah? From there, what's that rock? Okay, weighing. Whoa! Umokawa. You know it's a shell hopper.
Shell hopper. Shell hopper.
No, we are Kalaka. I can go over. Shell hopper. Toma. To get a you know it's a sorting area.
Sorting,
You know where you be? You know the cherry hopper.
Cherry hopper.
Hopper. H-O-P-P.
E-R.
Ah, you know stage 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Stage 4.
Hari. Ro tuga. Ndoka make.
Mutetele make.
Ni no nginya. Ogune kundere ka vaikona ni musi gwako bare kubana. Ndenge go.
Muguru ko bero no ka.
Ndenge ga ya. Ndenge ka.
From there, mama tell hopa. Hopa. Hii machine.
Na machine.
Hii kahawa ikiingia hapa. Pale. Ilengera kuwe kuma kocha ni hopa na nirangirindwa no wengiraga no these channels
yeah
ino channel ya kwa grade 1 2 3
okay
mona 2 1 2 3 again grade ya tumekera baba
okay
2 baba zirito ni maraitie ona kora mwiso
okay
mona na isa kuraga oba mai baroka tikenika ndio sabia wale ya kuonia ndio sabia hapa
so eno niyo koragwo the grade 1 na 2 niyo koragwo the
ende to eno etwa fermentation cubes isi mari marona leo ndio ndio hapa na ikaraga 2 to the 72 hours.
72 hours.
72 hours, aba.
3 days. Okay.
72 hours. That's 3 days.
3 days.
Equivalent.
Yeah.
No, iko ni atu ni kabia katene. No, iko na 72 hours.
Okay.
Aya. Iyo ndakwira ino ni matagi mavambia. Abare una kawakara ka bea. Ika after 72 hours. Ukona mia wakalambia kudhabia lili toroka nako ndio ne kone gatukanu tusumana this no ugule negoka kama kone mia tone akali baya
okay
ndio ngire ngi koro waba
okay
na ne rutaga 1 ikola kawaka ona katengira athiana mai atigo waguku kala kali ya kampere le to wa grade 4 right auru ko kana mai kaka diogu ndo gatwara okora we ogugu no okora ya tadi no eno katobe sukumaga tole ka wanyomo ndito ya sindito tekoma kwa kuma
yeah
ndito luka maba Kata sukuma, nekadirire, pakalimbe kabjo. Ona isi fermentation tanks.
Okay.
Fermentation tanks.
Okay.
Aparuga igoka. Kambera kulamba wakinyanga ukauruga ginya kadere byo akiruta iko. Ona kreno. Ona obedati tika atwe karawo.
No binga kono.
Tuikabambie. Tena kudi make hapa. Iko kadio yo. Welewa timwana kawa maya suma kali yoyo akala pio gaso kalu to kaba tukarutale u the great great ko ya bare mu no asabe
okay
mo ko ai dale gre wo ko gesa agora gelaba kega kala ko pi light ito pi light ke to ara yakula
korea
kage to ara uko tukali yo ndo sa mai no moto sa agora gela kawa
okay
aya pi light ana go tele ai go leida
oh
pi light ke to ara e piero dinwa store is no parchment right parchment 1 only grade 1 parchment 2
grade
atos grade 2 nani jaka mono ne ya wanu do tamira ko ndiye ko to hero wanu parchment 3 ne no enda ko lega ko bua ko light eni aya to ka bo ngala
okay sawa
Toto le pega tomoga, kila ndia. Kwa hapo kwa kalio mtawala hiyo. Anaweka ndia. Amuda yake atangasa kwa wewe. Uyu mada yako brand, kwa tena kumenya. Aya, hiyo itakuwa wet tables.
Wet tables.
Wet tables. Luka ukagoka. Ona bwana. Ile sasa ulekele nyaba.
Vale.
Right kwela ngora ne ukaga ole dia gatene muno dia eika ikekia guku
okay
that's the light
eno
le dali ngora ngidiri
okay
pidiri
okay
parchment diri
okay
parchment diri okay le no kuna ga konja ko me twende dika wato kalmande
okay
dia wele eno no ngidiri that is the from right from P1 light in makoro pero no you know the from right to P1 ya takatene ka makataka kaswe no right ni ko bil tuka ni eto mukalmande go gire market yimo ya kamuno kawale kadire no eno ya leo gidine eno ya kudu ekuro Nika wakiga yani, tika wakiga. Duwe no na. Duwe to kwa P3. Nice. P3. Yoga P3 ke. Machine damage. No machine damage yumako. Yoria.
Yumaka?
Machine damage yumaka rere okwanyuka wani kura mura no to letere kawa la tekeru kana overripe kwa terere mbe woni eri ruotere ekikwande mukemeosa mukitoletera ona eru majina meji ona waka woko yoka lero eru wewe nikawakega no bati nikokiri gari ga kuruna ne keri ruwe no runo to grade 3 o grade 3 eno go ave no grade 3 na kuna sote ja kawa grade no la grade 3 eno to gangia tu ne ka uno ya muno
okay
ne ka wakega ni no runo no amo uniformity no na no kengo to yelo tukai no grade yo grade yo te kawaga te keru no kono ya te keru nerere ya muito bodagira pesticide isi dawa cia kweridua one tunda gwaku ona nyanya gwaku rio karima ukeridua nyanya ya temwa ile je ikore ngone le red no ba kwanda ile pame bikaye ruwe lugile
okay
ka ku kangete ke ruwe kange abari daga
brown okay
ludo ne keru ludo twenda rangu wa red aba akwira mudo eri aga ta green ino na kona na ko keru makoro no ba tu kona ka beto ka bai kona e ko la karo keru no ne keru e koro no muro
katire
no ko angere
okay
eu kuma bai kuma ba to ko yes kuma waka kwa ero to wa skin wet drying table so ka ruta ba ru abda la no ona ko kwa we ne ka to ai mede de no ba ira even ko na no ka to ko la
drying table ya
ira so fa ino no ka nge kala mo wa ba yeso ni to de la ka ni la de
Teta.
to do famenti pamende so ni mo do ka wa mo ba ka wa mo do kala mo na ko na ko America uma ba ni leuna tuwe kati dange kale more than 72 hours akazi kwa ndu ko mari ko beka to kazi
okunekerwa
na okunekerwa mbudete ka ure kwanja ka yure ona ge ko mo ka so ke gete kendi bota akele barenge ba gele ba biro aso dia ko te gele no wa ko no gele
okay
io fai no tent ko ma to ka ko
questo
non è novella e to collection bin
condition bin
e non è tu che andiamo ma ko ne ka inge ba muno 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 nya ku ta ka mina ndani kala kale to ira e kale so e to ka ma ka this wetness puka to ko na ma kombe
okay
ka kai ko
okay
ka wa ka no nya ka to ro mu ro atore wa ruga no we aruga ba munya lu to ga na fasi ya mena dai wa so yo ko mena dan na ko ko ke mu mu ka ka condition bin ko ko ke ya mu no la su ko mena dan
okay
bro ya wulu
okay so nandone rando itakwatya
ndo ko mitambo
okay mitambo
kidaiga musagara 01
nice so guys I'm in the factory. I got a chance to come and explore how the coffee is processed, or rather processed and then packed and then kept in the bean spoiler or whatever
to the store.
To the store. So this is a process. It's not actually hand picked and then dried. So first of all you have to come to the society, or rather the coffee zone, the factory coffee zone. You get to pick it by hand, and then you get to put it in the place, the hopper. Then before that it's placed in the weighing pay, and then it's put to the hopper and then crushed by the machine. And then it's set by stages. There's grade 1, there's grade 2 and grade 3. I think there's even grade 4. So grade 1 and 2 is like a bit similar, but grade 1 and 2 is a bit better. Usually it's mostly exported to the Western countries. They prefer it rather than the grade 3 and 4 because it's a bit lighter. So within time the coffee is stored for about 72 hours. That is 3 days. And then it is then washed, and then after that it is divided into grades. There's grade 1, 2 and 3. The grade 1 and 2 is the best, and the 4. So that is light, So it is placed in the skinning. You said skinning? Skin drying tables, and then
wet skin drying tables.
It is placed in the wet skin tables, and then after that, after some few hours, it is set back to there's some other beds there. Then it is kept there. It is fully dried there. There's no opening until it is completely dried, and then after that, I think it is transported, and then after that, you get to have it in the store. For that, it is transported and sold to the people, and then there you get your coffee. So this is a factory where the coffee is is processed and then manufactured and then stored for you to get the better of it. So you get people with different types of taste. There are people who prefer grade 3 and 4. I think grade 1 na 2 ndio inakuanga nini
Hiyo ndio
strong
na hata hii zili wakati market ikiwa nzuri inakuwa grade 2
ndio juu
haya hiyo PL parchment light hiyo kawa wakati iko tunabeka wangi hii.
Okay. Na kuna ile inakuanga bitter. Ni wana ama tu?
Hiyo bitter likara amekisha kueleza likara. Huwa ana taste.
Huo ndio atakueleza.
Lika. Hiyo inatoka kwa shamba. Okay. Kawa yako ina wandundu. Inakuwa na overripe. Inakuwa na hii. Hii and ripe berry. Sasa wakati wa kuchagua wakienda huko wakuta hii. Hii koja hii haina taste.
Hainanga taste.
Hii haina taste. Hii
tasteless.
Ifanya kizungu.
Worthless.
Hii worthless. Lakini unaona hii inakuwa mboni. Hii ni nzuri.
Boni Okay.
Ukiona kama ni mboni, hiyo ni nzuri. Yes.
Okay. Nice. So na kule kuna ekangwa nini kule, kuna ile nini inakaa kama ni ya maji. Hiyo ni byproduct
Ego.
Ile iko ile kale kabana kakiria ga swamp.
Hiyo ni evaporation pans.
Evaporation pans.
Ana seepages.
Hiyo
ni maji yale yote takataka za maji ni hapo. Unaona? Kuna nyingine kule. Baadaye hii sasa ikiwa overloaded. Imwagika huko inaenda kwa river. Tunafanya hii kitu inaitwa inaleta hii yani ikiwa sasa ni mingi na inaenda ina pollute
environment na maji.
Sasa tumeiweka hapo. Ingalia hapo. Ikue igae hapo. Na ikingaa byproduct yake unakuja kuchukua na unaweka kwa kahawa.
Inakuwa fertilizer. Kenyago. Na inakuanga deep hiyo part. Ni deep.
About
6 feet.
Wow.
So
sasa ikiwa wafuro. Majirani wataanza kulalamika. Lakini hatuwezi hiyo wafuro. Baadaye hiyo wafuro wakati machine hata problem. Unajua machine ina pump. Hii makoro hii. Kule
maganda
skin tawa ile nyumba unaona pale. Lakini wakati mwingine kuna nguvu za umeme tuna float. Tuna release. Ndio hiyo maji yake.
Nice.
Evaporation pads.
Nice.
Thank you. Ile kama mzuri. Usione ate vile imekaa uone ni mbaya. Wakati kwanza watu wa Iraq, Iran, Saudi Arabia wanataka hiyo na boni.
Ni mzuri kabisa. Nice.
Any other question?
No other question. So guys, that was it. I'll be writing down the description below for you to get the full concept of the coffee factory. It's an honor. Mr. Peter here has granted me an access to show you around this factory, how things are done here. Factory number 1 within this. It is called the Kirinyaga County, where I came from. This is Moshagara Coffee Factory number 1. So I think ilikuwa imeongoza lini? Within ilikuwa last year part 1.
Last year part 1. Na last year ikawa
number 2 countrywide. Nice. So guys, within this factory, within last year, it gained to be number 1 and number 2 within the Kenyan region, the whole Kenyan region, number 1 and 2. The best producing coffee factory within Kirinyaga County in Moshagara. Can you believe that?
Moshagara 01.
It's actually, the coffee berries are actually imported to Iraq and Iran. They usually prefer the last, it's called boni here. They usually prefer that because, you know, the Iraqis, the Arabs usually like something that is a bit bitter. So they prefer that taste. So guys, this is the factory, #1 factory in Moshagara, Kirinyaga County, the best you'll ever get. This is the leading one. It's actually a massive factory within this county. So guys, if you see any coffee written Kenya, mainly know it is from this factory, Moshagara County. It's #1, and Mr. Peter here has granted me an access to show me around this place, how coffee is actually processed, manufactured, and then stored, and then imported. So guys, till later, peace and adios. Subscribe, like, share. Thank you.